If you are driving a 2014 to 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2, you know the car is a beast, but the factory infotainment system is starting to feel like a relic from the past. Today, we are looking at the ultimate solution, the 9.7-inch vertical Android 14 multimedia player. This is not just a screen upgrade, it is a total brain transplant for your Jeep. We are talking about a massive high-resolution display, lightning-fast performance, and all the modern features your SUV has been missing. Let us talk specs, because that is where this unit really shines. Under the hood, it is powered by the robust 7862 Octa-Core CPU. Unlike those cheap and laggy head units you see elsewhere, this one is snappy. Combined with options for up to 8 GB of RAM, you can jump between navigation, music, and system settings without a single stutter. The display itself is a beautiful 9.7-inch touchscreen with a 1024 by 768 resolution. It is bright, responsive, and gives your Jeep that modern Tesla-style vertical look that fits the dashboard perfectly. Now, for the features you will use every day: wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. The second you hop into your Grand Cherokee, your phone connects automatically. You get your maps, your messages, and your Spotify right there on the big screen. But it does not stop there. This unit supports a massive range of digital formats, from MP3 and MP4 to even older DVD formats if you still use them. Plus, with the built-in microphone and speaker system, your hands-free calls are crystal clear. And yes, for everyone asking, your steering wheel controls will work perfectly thanks to the full CAN bus integration. One of the biggest concerns with these upgrades is the installation. Luckily, this is a true plug-and-play system. No cutting wires, no permanent damage to your Jeep. It is designed specifically for the WK2 chassis, meaning the brackets and harnesses match up exactly. It even supports your factory reverse camera or any aftermarket 360-degree cameras you want to add. With Android 14, you also get access to the Play Store, so you can download Netflix, YouTube, or any off-road mapping apps you need for your next adventure. If you want to bring your Jeep Grand Cherokee into the modern era, this is the single best upgrade you can buy. It looks factory, feels premium, and works flawlessly. I have dropped the direct AliExpress link with the best current price in the first pinned comment below. Go check it out. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and do not forget to subscribe for more car tech reviews. See you in the next one.